Sir, attention of the House is drawn as regards as in the minds of the people due to countless potholes, hot day, on main roads and inner village roads in Kunkolim constituency. Also the overflowing drains, water accumulation, etc. due to incomplete work and negligence of various contractors laying the underground cables having further worsened the state of the roads. This is a very risky for the commuters and pedestrians, leading to fatal accidents and can also pose a threat to public health. The intervention of the Honorable Chief Minister, who holds the PWD portfolio, is necessary. Because ekuj to khabar ha माझे एक भाऊजी नाला एक फोन मारानी जाती परिस्थिती इतली
चांगल्या पुरो मरे आणि वेगळं मारपाची गरज ना
तुम्हार नाला चोय थिंगा बायल्या
तू सांगले काय झाले रे
इतली परिस्थिती सारखी आणि आम्ही
सांगता पळय न्ही हांव केन्ना तरी वता तो रेग्युलर येता तर तेणी सांगला हांव करून घेता
सर ना जस्ट इट इज व्हेरी सिरियस इट इज कम ऑन द न्यूज
हांव माझ्या इंजिनियरांक धाडटा फाल्यां धाडटा जाय जाल्यार
मातशें धाड